So I kind of goofed and forgot my vlog camera, so I didn't really vlog all day today, which kind of sucks because I had the intention of vlogging because I got my keys today. So the vid got me. Hey. Don't really know how to start this video, but basically, I got COVID. I don't really know how I got it, but I tested positive yesterday. Funny thing is, I'm actually supposed to move this weekend. So this was supposed to be like a moving vlog, but I had to push back my moving date. I clearly can't move right now because I have to be isolating for the next like 3 more days. Today's the 2nd day. But yeah, it's just my luck. Like, I'm supposed to be moving out and I catch COVID. So definitely really shitty, but also don't make fun of me for my adult pajamas. I've honestly been okay. I tested yesterday and turns out I tested positive, which was a shock, but it is what it is. Luckily, my family has tested yesterday, today. They're all negative. People close to me that I was in contact with, they've tested negative so far. So I think everything will be okay. I feel fine. Like, I have energy. Like, I feel fine. I have a bit of like a stuffy nose. I have a bit of a dry cough. I don't have a fever. Loss of breath, I don't have that. I can smell and I can taste. So I kind of feel fine, but it is just a shitty time to contract this because I'm literally supposed to be moving this weekend. Like tomorrow I was scheduled to move. I had like the moving truck and my elevator booked and all that stuff, and I even went in earlier this week and I actually did like a little bit of a like video for you guys as well on my phone, so I'll insert that clip here. I got my keys today, which is really exciting, and then Olivia came by just to see the place with me, and we kind of set up some stuff and I brought a couple things over from the move because I'm coming back on Friday with my mom and my sister to help clean and do like a deep clean before I actually move in on the weekend on Saturday with my family and my best friend and his family, my extended family. I'm super excited. It's crazy that, I don't know, it's just crazy that I'm living here for the year. But yeah, this is the new spot. This is where I'm gonna be living for the next year. And no matter how much more I say it, it just sounds even more insane. I'm super excited and I can't wait to do more content here. Like, that's what I'm so stoked for, to be able to film more and shoot more and do more stuff. So yeah, this is gonna be the spot for that, which is super exciting, and I can't wait to like host friends and have friends over and like just stuff like that. I'm really excited. So yeah, your boy was excited to move, but now because I have to isolate in my room for the next like 3 more days, I just have to move my moving date. So yeah. So yeah, I've been just literally in my room, just chilling. I was watching a couple movies. I've also been doing some work here and there, so still answering emails. I just also uploaded the announcement on my Instagram. I posted this photo here on my Instagram, just sharing with everybody that I'm like moving and stuff. But it's just like shitty that, like, oh my gosh, this is happening, blah blah blah, and like I'm literally, I can't move in because I've got to stay here. So yeah, just that's been my life right now. So yeah, it is what it is. But I'm thankful that I at least feel fine and I don't have like severe symptoms. I know it affects everybody super differently, but for me it's been super mild, so I am fortunate in that sense. And you know what, we deal with ambiguity as it happens, you know. I just have to change my moving date. I changed it to next week, so it is what it is. And that is it. I'm moving next week, so that's fine. But, yeah, that's pretty much what is new. I haven't really been doing much since yesterday. Yesterday I just watched like a bunch of movies, or like a couple movies. I'm gonna try to maybe like read today. I've just been like FaceTiming with a couple friends and like chatting in the group chat. I'm just like chilling here and just like, man. But yeah, I'm just very happy my family doesn't have it, and I hope they continue to test negative, and I just cannot wait to test negative. I've been reading this book, The Mountain Is You, and it's pretty good so far. Just talks about like self-sabotage, which I am very much known for, so that's been an excellent read. What's going on, guys? This is, I think it's like day 3 or day 4. I think it's day 3. So this is day 3 of having COVID, and just kind of literally doing nothing. I'm literally watching Toy Story right now, and I was watching a bunch of Disney movies today, and then just on my computer, kind of doing some work, kind of just figuring out some other stuff. But, yeah, this has been pretty much my day so far. It's like literally 8 o'clock. I haven't really done much with my day. It's been a pretty chill day. I honestly feel like my best today, so I'm hoping tomorrow I'm good. I actually tested positive still today, so I'm hoping I test negative tomorrow, or at least Monday, because Monday will be day 5 for me. Honestly, has not been that bad. The only thing that's been awful is that I haven't been able to move in this weekend, because that's what I wanted to move in. So yeah, that's the only thing that hasn't been the best. But other than that, like, I have a little bit of a stuffy nose. I have less of a dry cough today. That's really been it. Everything else has been fine. I finally like took a shower today, so I feel like a lot better. I have more energy today than I've had yesterday. And yeah, it's been like a pretty okay process so far. I can still smell, and I haven't lost any sense of taste, so that's good as well. But yeah, that has pretty much been the vid for me. Nothing that bad has happened, so that's good, and I'm thankful for that. But yeah, that's pretty much been it. Nothing more to report. Haven't really eaten that much. I haven't really had like that much of an appetite, so maybe that's been the only thing that's different. But that's pretty much been it for you guys. And yeah, I'll report back tomorrow, I guess. It's another day. So yeah, this is my 4th day, and honestly, I feel like my best today. Like today, I feel a lot better. I have like a little tiny bit of a cough, but I don't have like a stuffy nose today. I honestly feel like my best today, but I still tested positive this morning, which is kind of a bummer. So I am honestly just waiting today out to see how I feel for the majority of my day. Hopefully I continue to feel better throughout today, and yeah, and then tomorrow I really hope I just test negative, because I'm trying to be outside again. I like literally have my window wide open right now, because I just have not been outside for literally 5 days. But yeah, I just have not been outside, so it really sucks. Just about to try to read, maybe see if I can get like a blog post done, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I really do miss my apartment since I haven't been able to be there. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can go back there tomorrow, and then yeah, I have some work that I have some like content work that I gotta get done this week. I have a shoot that I have to shoot for. And yeah, so we're gonna see if I can at least be out in the world tomorrow. Hopefully I can. And yeah, that's pretty much the rapport from today. Nothing has changed. One thing that is new though, I got a new phone. I'm testing the Google Pixel right now, thanks to Google and MLSE. If you're not from Toronto, MLSE is just the organization of the Leafs and the Raptors. So I'm actually testing out the Google Pixel right now, which is really dope. This is kind of like my setup right now. That's supposed to be the weather. I don't know why it's not doing that. But yeah, I fully set it up yesterday. I haven't put like my SIM card in it yet, but I set it up yesterday. I've had an iPhone for honestly ever, so it's been like really weird of an adjustment, but it's really nice and I'm looking forward to it. So I'm gonna be testing that out for a couple days or a couple weeks, which is really nice. I honestly have not been outside for 5 days, and that's not good for my mental health, because I've literally been stuck in here. So yeah, maybe I'll go for a walk today, we'll see. But yeah, guys, I'm free today. I am free, and your boy is free and out of here. Yeah, so today I am free. That was something. I honestly don't wish that on anybody. I hope everyone just continues to keep safe and stay safe. I don't know how long we'll have this in general. I feel like it's not going like anywhere. Like it's kind of like just another, I hate the word variant now, but it's just another variant on the flu. So we just gotta protect ourselves as much as we can. But yeah, I'm actually heading to my apartment right now, and I'm gonna set up a few things, and I'm gonna remember to bring you along this time. And yeah, let's check it out. So I'm gonna do maybe like an empty apartment tour, maybe something like that. But yeah, we're gonna go check it out, so come on. Hello, so I'm in my apartment. I've been here for a little bit. I was just setting up some things. It is pretty empty right now, but the bathrooms are set up, so I guess that's kind of nice. I have this light set up here right now, but I'm gonna do a very, very quick and brief like empty apartment tour, and I'll show you guys my apartment before I really set things up this weekend. So you walk in and you immediately just see everything. That's pretty much the start of my apartment. This is just like a closet. So I'm gonna be putting jackets and stuff in there. So that's what this is. If you go over to this side, this is my in-unit washer and dryer. So that is really dope. If you walk over here, I actually put up a shoe rack, and then where I can just put my keys and stuff down when I get home. That I set up, but there's just a bunch of garbage over here. This is my office, literally currently just garbage filled right now. This is my guest bathroom, which is super, super nice. I set that up last week. Just have a candle in here. If you walk over to this side, this is my kitchen. I'm gonna put like a little table island over here. Yeah, this is the kitchen. That is my fridge. Not a lot of counter space, but we move. This is where my couch is gonna go on this side. On this side, this is gonna be where my media console and TV are. I'm gonna get like a bookshelf, and then my bar cart is gonna live over here. This is a little bit of the view. And then this is my bedroom. So I have a little closet mirror over there. I'm gonna put a shoe rack over there. I'm gonna have my 2 nightstands here, and then my bed in the middle. I'm going to have a dresser, like a standing dresser right over there. Yeah, this is pretty much my room. There's honestly not a lot of room in here, so it is what it is. And then I also just set up my bathroom today. So I have my skincare stuff over here. I have this candle going on. I have some other like body skin stuff here. And then this is just like the same thing I set up in the guest bathroom. This is my shower. I just put those there. They need to dry. That's gonna be just like where I can put bath stuff. I also set this up as well. This is just a laundry hamper. And yeah, that is pretty much my space. Oh, I also got a Google Home Nest Hub, which is really cool. It's been like pretty cool to get used to so far. But yeah, that is the space so far. So like the lighting is so good in here. It's even like overcast today, and the lighting is still really good. So that's one of the reasons I really, really like the place. I feel like it's gonna be just enough space for me, and I'm super excited and just excited for this journey. Super blessed and just thankful for the love and support that everybody's been giving me on my channel for the last couple of years. And yeah, that is pretty much the vlog for today. Don't know if this is kind of like a short and sweet vlog, but yeah, the next vlog after this is just gonna be me moving, and I'm gonna share a little bit of that experience. This will be, again, my first time ever moving, so I don't know how well that's gonna go, but I'm excited for that. And yeah, so that is gonna be it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys liked this vlog, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you loved it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because it really helps out the channel, and you'll be able to see how my move went and getting into this place and all that stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.